Hello, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. This is Dan and this is Dan Tech Channel. In this video, actually, I'll just be showing you how you can just make over 10,000 Kenya shillings every day here in 254. It's just actually very easy to achieve that. And if you're in other countries, actually that's around $100. You can just average it over here. But here in 254, we are talking about $85 to $83 every day. It's just very easy. Make sure that you watch this video until the end, and I'm going to show you the strategy that you're going to use, the formula and all that. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video to just be recommended to many people, and actually make sure that you use the FXPesa account so that you know FXPesa is just an amazing platform with low spreads, and it's just very easy to deposit right from M-Pesa and withdraw, and everything is just nice over there. You can just check the link is in the description below. Register an account over there, and let's just start this video right after the intro of this video. So we are going to start right over here, but before even we just do that, let me just indicate 3 rules that we need to go through. And the first one is first of all, there are a lot of things that you just need over here. Actually 3 rules. First of all, you will just be taking 3 trains. So we'll be taking 3 trains. The other one that will be trending 2 pairs. Make sure that you always have known these pairs, and the only thing that I always say that even if you are not trending, the moment even you are not trending, make sure that you always observe these pairs even when you are not trading, so that you can become familiar with these 2 pairs. You can monitor the behavior and all that. And the third thing that we're just going to talk about over here is the pips that we need. Actually, we need 30 pips over here, at least 30 pips. And our capital over here will just be like $1,000 to, yeah, if you have this one or $500, then you're just going to go, then you can just be ready to make that amount. So let's just see which pairs we can just use over here. And actually the third thing is that make sure that you use at least pair that is volatile, because some pairs will just stay there, you will not be making anything fun day. So if you just have those pairs, you have observed all those rules, then you just go to go. Let's click over here and see what's going to happen right over here. As you can see over here, I have these pairs right over here, and you can see this is the movement that I've just monitored over here, and this is the trend lines as you can see over here. So this, I'm just using the trend lines as you can see, and you can see the movement right over here, the upward movement, the trend lines that are rising in this way, and the other one are just rising like this way. Now as we see in the movement that we just need over here is only 300 movement pips. So as you can see over here today, that's why it's very easy. For example, if you're using Euro USD to monitor that, and you can see right over here, right from the movement from this point over here, that is 1000, that is 1.400, something like that. And actually, yeah, so this that one, and you can see up to now this movement is this point. So that is more than even 300, because these are already for that is already more than 600 points over here, and we just need only that is 60 points, that 300 point, which is 30 pips. So these are a lot of movement, but you don't need all that movement to get that amount. So what you will just be doing is to make sure you do actually a good analysis. Sorry, after doing that analysis, and then you just, you know, 300 points is the points that can just be moved within hours, and these will be just our calculations over here. With the moment you just identify that movement, you can be patient. First of all, that is matters a lot. Okay, now you can have this one. Let's say your target is 300 points. That is a movement. and the moment you just target this one, you can use at least the lot size of 0.05. This is the smallest actually, so there is no chance that you are going to lose a lot of money. Actually, this is risk. The risk over here is very small. So if this movement goes over here and then you just attain this point, you'll just be earning $15, huh? If you use this amount of lot size and you gain this one. But you know, obviously the market can just not go direct to your point. Sometimes it have to reverse somehow, maybe with the 100 points, obviously. So the moment you notice this previous movement retest imerudi kidogo chini, so what we just have to do now is to use another lot size, which is 0.05 actually. So any moment you realize that the market is just moving, you see we have started with the smallest lot size over here, but what we're just going to be doing over here is that any moment we just realize that there is slight movement down of our point, we are going to multiply times 2 of our lot size, and here we are going to use 0.1. so this, instead of now of 300, when this will be reaching 300, this will be reaching 400 points, and we have lost a lot size of 0.1. so this will be 400 points and used a lot size of 0.1. so the profit over here will be $40, and the profit over here will be $15. so already you have $55 over here, and our target is only $80, so that we can attain that 1,000. So the moment you just attain this $8, which is equivalent to 10,000 Kenya shillings now, so you can minus, that is 80 minus 55, you see we only need $25. And this you can just go to the other pair, maybe it is GBP, which is also volatile, and also UED, that is you can even go to Euro, JPY. These are volatile pairs that you can just select, and the target over here is actually 250 points. Over here you can even target, which is, let's say maybe instead of even 250 points, notice we are targeting over here, you can select the movement of the first one, which is 200. If you know the market, you can retest back kidogo 200 points, and the moment you just select this one, so all you're just going to do right over here is to select another lot size of 0.05. so here the profit will be, how you just get this profit is multiply point times the lot size. Okay, so here the profit will be $10. so the moment this become $10, so we have another one actually, which is maybe also retest to maybe irundi kidogo nyuma. so the moment you achieve this $200, so we are under $200. okay, so the moment maybe this retrace to maybe irundi kidogo nyuma, and you irudi kidogo nyuma by 50 points, so you'll be having 250 points, and you'll have used how much? I've used 0.01 lot size, as we say. The moment market just goes to zero cover, you just multiply times 0.1 lot size, either buy or sell, and then you can just multiply, that is 250 times 0.1, and yeah, but even you can use the same lot size to make sure that everything is just right. Yeah, but let's use the lot size of 0.1, and what you see over here is that you make $25. so $25 plus $10, that is $35 over here. $35 plus this, $35 plus 55 plus $35, this will be $90. so this will be above 10,000 Kenya shillings every day that you just be making. So you have observed the rules. The first rules are just indicated over here, so you can see those movement actually. Sometimes those pairs like Euro USD, all those main pairs, they can just take like even minute for them to achieve that target of 300 to 400 points. Does not take long. These are around 30 to 40 pips like 1 hour, that market can fluctuate between those points, and it can just be very amazing. The other risk you can just do over here, risk management, is to make sure that if you just want that, maybe you can just adjust your losses, that is above, maybe it is just because those are very small points, you can just adjust it to be, maybe you can just decide if you have that capital of $1,000, you can maybe have an adjusted ratio to, that is 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is good. When you just, this will be loss, this will be profit. Or maybe you can just do the inverse, because this is smallest, this is loss, this is profit, if you know your theory is correct, because the movement actually is very, very volatile right over here. So if you have any question, you can just leave it in the comment section. I'll make sure that I reply that. See you next time. Goodbye.